Welcome everyone. In today's class, we are going to learn how do we approximate to the nearest hundredth, okay, tenth, nearest whole number as well. How can we approximate this to all these? So solution. So let's start with the first one. We have 15.6677. So let us do it this way. To the nearest whole number, okay, to the nearest tenth, okay, and this same number to the nearest thousandth. So how do we write this to the nearest whole number? So when you look at this number, okay, the digits in the whole number position, in the whole number position is just 15. Okay, so for me to write this 15, I have to look at the number after 15. So is more than 5. So I have to go to 15. So I have 16 points. So I turn every other numbers to 0. Okay, or I write as 16. Okay, since I'm approximating, so this is the sign. So I approximate everything to 16. Okay, so for tenths, so how do I write this same number to tenths? How do I approximate this same number to tenths? So I have a 15 points. The 10th position in this case is 6. Okay, so I have here 6 as the 10th position, which means 6/10. Okay, so from here now, for 6, I have to look at the number. I might to borrow here. So when I go to here, I have 7. Every other number turns to 0. Okay, so this for 10th position. So the same thing to the nearest tenths, which is this, but to the nearest thousandths. So when I look at the same set of numbers, I have here to be tenths, hundredths. So here is thousands, that is 7/1000. Okay, so how do I write this? I repeat my 15 points. I have 6, 6. So before I write this, I borrowed to 7 because this one is over 5. So here it turns to 8. So the number after 8 here is 0. So I have a 15.6680 to the nearest thousand for number 1. So number 2 now is 0.819. Okay, so let's follow the same steps. Okay, so for step A, I'm to walk to the nearest whole number. So here, when I identify the nearest whole number, the whole number here is 0. So I'm to borrow to here. So I have here 1.000, which is as 1. What am I borrowing? Because this is 5 upward, it's more than 5. So I have to borrow. So every other number turns to 0. So my answer is still 1. So for my B part, I have it to the nearest tenth. Okay, so this to the nearest tenth, this number to the nearest tenth. This is my 10th position in this case. So I have 0.8. Okay, every other number turns to 0. So for my C position, I have to the nearest thousand. So I have a 10th, 100,000. So I cannot write this to the nearest thousand. So no answer for this. Okay, or else I still repeat what I have here as 0.819. Okay, so that's for the second one. For the third one, I have here 25.3945. Okay, to the nearest whole number position. So I have here 25 as my answer. And for my B, taking this number to tenth. So here I have 25.4. This is my 10th value. And for C, take this number to 1000. Okay, I have here 25.395. Okay, this is what I'm working with: tenths, hundredths, thousands. So I have 25.395. Thank you very much.